Nice kayo mag-draw si Iram. Here are his drawings. What's this again, anak?
Huh?
What's this again?
RPG.
RPG. And this one is?
Sniper.
And this one?
Pistol.
How about that one? You're drawing
Grenade.
a grenade. Iram is just 6 years old. And he's in grade 1. He loves to draw. What do you call this, anak?
Ano sa?
Ano sa tawag ani?
Mga guns.
Mga guns and rifles, no?
Oo. Og mga gun. Og mga bombs.
Mm. Why do you like drawing those things?
Military man ko.
Kaya ganahan ka ma-military? What else do you like to draw? What else?
M9 pistol.
Nice kaayo. Drawing siya og grenade. Based lang na sa iyahang imagination. Those are just based on Iram's imagination. Very nice. Good job, anak.
Iki na pod.
Sa man ni teach nimo how to draw?
Uncle G Lord.
Uncle G Lord? Yun sa man kaniya pag-teach.
Di pa tanaw ko niya sa iyang drawing.
Nya imo hang gi-follow unsaon? Describe what you're drawing. Describe what you're drawing. Describe ba? What are you drawing?
AKM.
So, there are different kinds of rifles. But why do you like this one? Why do you prefer to draw these rifles?
Military man ko.
Huh?
Military ko.
Military Military ka?
Mm.
Nice kaayo eh. Very good kaayo. Anong ganahan man ka mag-military?
Ang kaya na-save ko sa mga people.
Ha?
Na-save ko sa mga people.
Ganahan mo mag-save ang mga people.
Mm.
Who is your inspiration?
Hmm?
Who is your inspiration? Why do you want to become a military? Saving people. Just like
Lolo.
Lolo. Very nice. I'll upload this on YouTube so that in a big mo you can watch this, no?
Mm.
In a big ni era. Watch siya. Say bye.
Bye.
Very nice. Good job, anak.
Mm.
Anak. Good job.
Kaya.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you so much.
Yeah.